One of our first projects at the old Senior Citizen Center building was to take off the sheet metal cladding and restore its original brick. The metal was removed piece by piece, and when they removed a sheet of metal from the front of the building, there was still an old wooden sign hanging on the wall. Since we knew this building used to be City Hall, it was pretty easy to guess what the sign was going to say. It was very fragile, so we got our friend Ramon and his crew to carefully take it down and put it in a safe place while we tried to figure out what to do with it. Tony thought it should go back to Kaufman City Hall, so we contacted Mayor Jeff Jordan. He agreed, and they found the perfect spot for it. The next question was how to get it there. We're only a block away from City Hall, but it's a long sign and very fragile. Tony decided the best way was just to walk it over there, so he and our friend Mick marched down Cherry Street and across Washington to its new home at Kaufman City Hall, and luckily there wasn't much traffic that day.
Hello, Steve.
We were greeted at City Hall by Stuart McGregor of the Kaufman Economic Development Corporation and Jesse Hanks, City Secretary. They helped us get the sign situated for the installation crew.
It's so much longer when it's lower.
When it's not on the top of the building.
It's really big, it is.
It's the old City Hall sign.
The guys did an excellent job hanging the sign high on the wall in its new place of honor in the council chambers. Be sure to stay tuned and see how we are transforming the interior of the old City Hall, Fire, and Police Department. You can follow us at Tony Collins Art on YouTube, X, and Instagram, and also our website, tonycollinsart.com. Bye for now.